runway 1 right at Sierra.
November Echo, hold short of 1 right at Sierra, Southwest 3142.
Horizon 2046, the wind 32022, gust 32, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, Horizon 2046.
United 1006, Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
1 right, line of way, United 1006.
United 574, contact departure.
Have a great day, United 574.
Cheers. United 1006, traffic ahead is westbound, no factor, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, United 1006.
Southwest 2496, Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
1 right, line up and wait, Southwest 2496.
Southwest 2496, traffic ahead is eastbound, no factor for you. The wind is 320 at 22, gust 32, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 2496.
Spirit Wings 1006, Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
1 right, line up wait, Spirit 1006.
Horizon 2046, contact departure.
Horizon 2046.
Vegas Tower, Southwest 1988, visual 1 left.
Southwest 1988, Las Vegas Tower, the wind 320 at 21, gust 32, your number 2, runway 1 left, clear to land.
Southwest 1988, clear to land, 1 left.
United 1006, contact departure.
Go departure, United 1006, good day.
Spirit Wings 1006, the wind is 32022, gust 32, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff, traffic ahead is westbound.
1 right, clear for takeoff, Spirit 1006.
American 2654, Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 1 right, American 2654.
Southwest 2496, contact departure.
Contact departure, Southwest 2496.
American 2654, the traffic ahead is going to be eastbound, he's no factor, the wind 32022, gust 32, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 1 right, American 2654.
United 1841, Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
Wait, 1 right, United 1841.
Tower, Southwest 2611, visual 1 left.
Correction, Southwest 2611, Las Vegas Tower, the wind 320 at 22, gust 32, your number 3, runway 1 left, clear to land.
I will clear to land, 1 left.
Spirit Wings 1006, contact departure. Use caution, traffic about 6 miles there in front of you is United 1006.
I will use caution, Spirit 1006.
United 1841, traffic ahead turns west, is no factor, the wind 320 at 22, gust 32, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 1 right, United 1841.
American 2421, Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait, traffic crosses downfield.
Line up and wait, 1 right, copy traffic, American 2421.
American 2654, contact departure.
Take care, American 2654.
Yeah, 2449, hold short of runway 1 right at Mike.
Alright, sort of 1 right at Mike, yeah, 2449.
Southwest 3142, cross runway 1 right at Sierra, contact ground point 1.
Cross 1 right, Sierra, go over to ground, South 142.
Yeah, 2449, traffic is holding in position. Cross runway 1 right at Mike and contact ground point 1.
Okay, traffic site